small sports sedans for 2024 Toyota GR Corolla. The automotive landscape is about to receive a jolt of adrenaline with the arrival of the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla, poised to redefine the small sports sedan segment with its blend of performance, agility, and everyday practicality. As Toyota's latest addition to its Gazoo Racing lineup, the GR Corolla represents a thrilling evolution of the iconic Corolla nameplate, promising enthusiasts an exhilarating driving experience without compromising on reliability or comfort. At the heart of the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla lies a turbocharged 1.6-liter inline-3 engine, delivering an impressive 257 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and Toyota's intelligent all-wheel drive system, the GR Corolla offers dynamic acceleration and precise power delivery, ensuring a thrilling driving experience on both road and track. With its potent powertrain and agile handling, the GR Corolla accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, making it a true contender in its class. But the GR Corolla isn't just about performance, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional versatility and practicality. With its compact sedan design, the GR Corolla offers ample interior space for passengers and cargo, making it ideal for daily commuting, weekend adventures, and everything in between. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long road trips, the GR Corolla provides a comfortable and refined driving experience for both driver and passengers. In terms of design, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla exudes an air of sportiness and aggression. Its bold exterior styling, characterized by aggressive body lines, a distinctive front grille, and aerodynamic enhancements, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The GR Corolla's sporty appearance is further accentuated by 18-inch alloy wheels, dual exhaust outlets, and GR-specific accents, which add to its dynamic presence. Inside the cabin, the GR Corolla offers a driver-focused environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Sport seats with bolstered support, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals create a race-inspired ambience, while advanced features like Toyota's infotainment system, digital cockpit, and smartphone integration provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Toyota GR Corolla promises to elevate the small sports sedan segment to new heights, offering enthusiasts a thrilling combination of performance, agility, and practicality. With its potent powertrain, dynamic handling, and versatile design, the GR Corolla sets a new standard for enthusiast-oriented compact cars. Whether tearing up the track or cruising through city streets, the GR Corolla promises an exhilarating and unforgettable driving experience for drivers of all skill levels.